So in my other job, I work at a music store, and from time to time, they throw away some instruments. This time I got a violin. We'll see what we can do with it. Make something cool out of it, hopefully. We'll see what happens. So, the first thought I had was to make a pen. So I spaced out these tubes and marked out where they were. And then I went over to the bandsaw and I cut them to size. So the next thought I had was, what do I do with this headstock? And instantly I thought this would make a really cool bottle stopper. So I went ahead and drilled out for the bottle stopper itself, and then I tapped for the threads. Then I got out this bottle stopper and screwed them together. And that was that. Pretty simple, and it looks really cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The next thing is to drill out the neck pieces. Now it's time to glue in the tubes. So I sand them down so the super glue has something to stick to. Apply the super glue and then put them in the place. The rest of the video will be just me shaping these to make a really nice pen.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
So here they are. I really like the way this turned out. I really think I got some pretty cool things out of it. I love this pen. The way that it is just so clean between the two, between the maple and the ebony. I love the way the chrome mimics a little bit of the strings typically on violins, so I love that too. These are some gifts to the guys in the shop that are giving me some of the stuff that's headed out to the dumpster. Thanks for watching. If you like this one, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment if you think these are a good use of it, or if you have any ideas of how to use the body. I'm still trying to come up with those. Subscribe if you want to see more. Every little bit helps. And I'll see you next time.